Hey, welcome back to the Marc Drouinaud Show, your home for hacking news and education. Now, there is this thing called ChatGPT. They're saying it's going to destroy Google in 2023. It's going to take over. They say Google days are numbered. And in this video, I'm going to cover key reasons why people are saying this. Let's get right into it. One of the main advantages of ChatGPT is its ability to generate human-like responses to a wide range of inputs. This makes it ideal for applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and conversation agents. With its advanced language generation capabilities, ChatGPT can hold engaging and informative conversations with users on a variety of topics. Another advantage of ChatGPT is its ability to learn and adapt to new contexts. Unlike some NLP models, ChatGPT is able to retain information from previous conversations and use it to generate more relevant and personalized responses. This allows it to provide a more natural and intuitive user experience. However, there are some drawbacks to using ChatGPT. One of the main limitations is that it requires a significant amount of computational power to run, which can make it difficult to deploy in some environments. In addition, because of its machine learning model, it's not always able to generate perfect responses and may produce nonsensical or irrelevant output at times. Another potential concern with ChatGPT is its potential impact on privacy. Because it's able to retain and use information from previous conversations, there are potential concerns about how it may be used to collect and store personal data. This is an important issue that developers and users of ChatGPT will need to consider carefully. Now, here are some reasons why Google, in my opinion, may still, it may still take some time for ChatGPT to take over. And here's the reason why. Google has a massive database with all the latest information. Google has over 100 billion web pages indexed in its database. With such a massive database, Google can provide the most relevant results in split seconds. That's not the case of ChatGPT. It offers precise answers, but it is limited in its knowledge. Google also offers you multiple avenues to seek the most suitable answer. Google in most cases doesn't answer you in yes or no. Instead, it focuses on relevance and provides results that it finds most relevant to the search query. Users have multiple avenues to seek, compare, and verify the information. Google is capable of offering real-time information. Unlike ChatGPT, Google can provide real-time information. You can search trains and flight schedules, delays, the fastest route, real-time traffic status, and more. So that is what people are talking. What do you think? Do you think ChatGPT is going to take over? Do you think that Google days are numbered? I gave you some advantages. I gave you some disadvantages, but I want to know your opinion. Please let me know in the comment section below. Please hit the subscribe button. I love you. Stay safe. See you on the next video.